This study is situated at the heart of an ongoing academic collaboration between the School of Engineering at NewGiza University and the Center of Engineering Education at University College London. As part of this ongoing collaboration, the two parties have for the past 3 years been invested in creating, validating, and contextualizing the integrated engineering program designed by UCL to suit the local context of the Egyptian higher education classroom. The intention is for the study of engineering to take a more socially responsible, community-engaged, and critical sense. The aim of this study is to consider challenges to the augmented reality integration into an engineering problem-based and socially responsible teaching and learning approach.
We'll start by defining what we mean with transdisciplinary engineering. Our view of the study of engineering is that it needs to be centered around the act of problem solving. The problems that need to be addressed intertwine several aspects, including social, environmental, cultural, and other aspects. As students, we want to be learning through problems that are complex and engaging, and that cannot be solely resolved through typical technical calculations, drawings, and simulations. Instead, we want to be able to draw upon several disciplines and collaborate that knowledge together to solve timely and relevant problems. It's not always easy to work on real-life problems if there's limited access to the context of the problem. Hence our consideration to adding augmented reality to allow us to make these problems real.
The advantage of integrating augmented reality was that it would firstly resolve access restrictions. Very often we cannot access the problem seen, and this affects the depth and complexity of our problem-solving investigation. Secondly, as students, we'd be able to use our smartphones as part of our learning process. This would really motivate us as we're currently learning through traditional means. Despite there being a lot of advantages, there is one main concern we would like to voice: the students' socio-emotional development. We believe that a big part of their learning happens as they interact with real-time stakeholders, listening to their concerns and working collaboratively to solve a complex problem at hand. We're worried that the integration of augmented reality would affect this part of our development. This is why we chose the following research question: what is the suitable transdisciplinary approach to integrate augmented reality in engineering education in a way that it takes into consideration the importance of fostering real-time connection while also rendering the learner humanly, socially, and emotionally in their station environment?
This is a work in progress study. Our intention is to embed the exploration into a 1-week problem challenge that students from an experimental and a control group would be working on. The first will engage the students in real time, and the second through augmented reality. We intend to capture the data through interviews at different instances throughout the activity. The data will be analyzed through the lens of the ethical engineering framework. We believe that this study is very timely. Augmented reality is the new language of today, and it's inevitable that it will be integrated into engineering curriculum. Since we are the generation that will be affected by it, our intention is to capture and voice our concerns.